How to enable sensitive content filter on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about enabling and also disabling the sensitive content filter on Twitter. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Twitter application or X application on your mobile device, and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, first of all, you have to open the application and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and then scroll down and select Settings and Support. Now from the drop-down menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Now once you're on the settings page, go to Privacy and Safety option, that is between the monetization and notification option. Simply tap on it. Here you have to find and click on the Content You See, which is the third option below the Your Post. Click on it. On this page, you need to do two things. That is, first, you have to check the box for display media that may contain the sensitive content. And after that, you have to scroll down to search settings, turn on the hide sensitive content, which prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. But in the case, if you'd like to disable the sensitive content filter, you can just simply go ahead and toggle that switch off. Now you should be able to view or hide the sensitive content on X without any filters. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.